Hello students, welcoming you all to my channel. As you all know, the tagline of the channel is not just pass but pass with distinction. To achieve distinction, you should have 3 Ds: discipline, determination and dedication. In order to get distinction, you should focus on each and every mark in the question paper. Hence, I am going to make sure that you don't lose one or half mark even from the question paper. So, I not only am going to make videos on lessons but also on grammar. I will provide you with the tricks and tips so that you ensure to fetch each and every mark in the boards. So, here I am, Alamukarthi Neeraj Kumar, with yet another video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and kindly ensure that you click on the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. In this video, I am going to explain degrees of comparison, how to change from one form to another without changing the meaning of the sentence. It's a topic of grammar. Why should we learn grammar? Correct grammar is the key to speak any language fluently and confidently. And knowing grammar is very important even for our social life. Now let's get into the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparisons are generally used for adjectives. It is used when there is a comparison among the things or the people. And there are 3 degrees of comparison. The first one is positive degree. Positive degree is a simple form of the adjective. It is the simplest one compared to the other two. It is used when no comparison is intended and also when two things or peoples are said to be equal in respect of some quality. Example, James is as clever as Harry. Here, James and Harry are equal with respect to the quality of cleverness. So here, clever is the adjective which is in positive degree. Now, the next degree is comparative degree. It is higher degree of quality than positive. It is used when two nouns are compared. It is used when one noun is better than the other one in respect of some quality. It is followed by than when opposition is implied. The adjective is said to be in comparative degree when more is added before the adjective or er is added after the adjective as the suffix. Example, Amar is wiser than Seema. Here the adjective is wise in which Amar is compared to Seema and Amar is better. Okay, more wise than Seema. That is why here the degree is comparative degree. The last degree of comparison is superlative degree. It is the highest degree. It is used when more than two nouns are compared. It is used when a person or thing is said to surpass all other persons or things of the same kind. Most is used before the adjective or est is used as a suffix of the adjective. For example, this boy is the most intelligent of all. Here, the boy is said to surpass all other person with respect to the intelligence. Now, let us move to the topic changing the degree of comparison, which is very important for your syllabus. I have divided this into type 1, type 2, type 3. And now I am going to give you the trick by which you can solve any type of change the degree of comparison questions in your question paper. Mark my words, you can solve any type of change the degree question if you clearly understand the video now I am presenting in front of you. Hence, make sure that you share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Let us learn about the type 1 sentences in degrees of comparison. The one thing you should note here is only when two objects or two persons are compared. This is the main point that you should remember of type 1 sentences. This can only change positive sentence to comparative degree or comparative degree sentence to positive degree sentences. It cannot be done for superlative degree. Okay. Now let us see the steps to change the degree, that is positive to comparative or comparative to positive. First step is to interchange the place of the subject and object of the sentence. Next step is change the degree of the adjective. Comparison means of course it will be adjective or adverb. The degree you have to change, positive to comparative or comparative to positive as the question is demanding. And the third step is convert the sentence. Okay, that is if the sentence is in the positive sentence, that is affirmative sentence, means you have to change into negative sentence, no, not or never. If it is a negative sentence with no, not and never, you have to convert into affirmative sentence. Now, let us take the examples for this type 1 and apply the steps and see how it works. First example, gold is more expensive than similar. As more expensive is given, more, okay, it is comparative degree sentence. So, in the step 1, we have to interchange the subject and the object. That is, gold and silver will be interchanged. In the next step, we have to change the degree. Okay, so the more expensive will become as expensive as. Okay, and the affirmative sentence is to be changed into negative sentence, which includes no, not or never. So, we can frame the sentence, silver is not as expensive as gold. Next one, Anusha is not taller than Vinusha. Okay, it is comparative again because taller is the adjective here which is in the comparative degree and the sentence is in negative. Okay, so you have to, as usual, you have to interchange the subject and the object. So Anusha and Vinusha will interchange and then it will change to as tall as. Okay, taller will change into as tall as. That is the positive degree. So, how it will change into positive degree is Vinusha is as tall as Anusha. So, you can see that the negative sentence has been changed into affirmative sentence. Now, let us learn about type 2 sentences. This type is used when 3 or more nouns are compared. Okay, when 2 or more are compared, it will always come under type 1. If there are more than 2, that is 3 or more, means it will come under type 2. And this type is used when only one of the subject is said to be surpass all the other subjects of the same kind. Okay, one of them is in the superlative degree, means this type 2 is used. So, there are no steps, there are only general form. Okay, general form of the type 2 sentences. Just note down the general form. First one, positive degree. The general form for positive degree is no other plus particular noun in the set plus is as plus the positive adjective plus as plus the subject. For example, if you are speaking about a particular boy in the class, say Paras. Okay, so no other boy, okay, in the class, set here is in the class, is as studious as Paras. That will be the positive formation of this sentence. Okay, the second one, it is comparative degree. The general form is subject plus is plus comparative adjective plus than plus any other particular noun plus in the set. Here the, as we have said, subject is Paras. Paras is more studious than. In the comparative degree, than word is compulsorily used. Note that point. Okay. So Paras is more studious than any other student or any other boy in the class. Okay. Now the next one is superlative degree. The general form is subject plus is the plus superlative adjective plus particular noun plus in the set. So the subject as such, it is Paras. So Paras is the most studious boy in the class. Okay. So subject is Paras, is the. Note the word the is used before the superlative adjective. Okay. So Paras is the most studious boy in the class. Let's make it clear with more examples. Let us take the example, Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Since biggest is there, it is in the superlative degree. Okay, first let us change into comparative degree. Okay, the subject is Jupiter. Okay, then change the superlative adjective to comparative adjective, that is bigger. Then add than any other. Okay, and then the particular noun, that is planet, and to the set, that is solar system. So it will change. The answer will, in the comparative degree, will be Jupiter is bigger than any other planet in the solar system. Now let us change into positive. So in the positive degree, as I have already said, no other will come. Okay, then the adjective particular noun, which here is the planet. Then add the set, that is solar system. Then add the positive degree adjective, that is as big as. Okay, now the sentence will become, no other planet in the solar system is as big as Jupiter. The second example, diamond is the hardest substance in the world. Okay, again, first let us change into comparative. So, in the same rule, hardest will change to harder. Okay, and subject is diamond, the particular noun is substance, and the set is in the world. Okay, so comparative degree, it will become diamond is harder than any other substance in the world. Now positive, as the same rule, no other substance in the world is as hard as diamond. Let us learn the type 3 degree of comparison. It is also used when 3 or more objects are compared, and it is used when more than one object is in superlative degree or when there is no clear-cut element in the set. Okay, that is one of the most important thing. Okay, means many things are important, in that this is also most important. Like that thing means, then we can say they are type 3 degree of comparison. Okay, in type 2, one is best. Okay, here one of the best. Okay, many best are there, in that one is also best, like that. Okay, this also has the general form only. General form for positive degree is very few plus particular noun in the set are plus as positive adjective plus as plus subject. Okay, the comparative form or comparative degree is subject plus is plus comparative adjective plus than plus many other particular noun in the set. And superlative, subject is one of the, okay, one of the superlative adjective plus particular noun in the set. Let us clarify the concept with some examples for type 3. Example, Dhoni is one of the best cricketers in the world. Best cricketers, so superlative, okay, and one of the best. So many best cricketers are there, in that one is Dhoni. Okay, that is type 3 form. How to change into comparative? General form, subject is plus comparative adjective plus many other, okay, that should be used, and then cricketers in the world. So the comparative degree, the sentence will be Dhoni is better than many other cricketers in the world. Now the positive degree. Positive degree general form is very few plus cricketers in the world are as good as Dhoni. Okay, very few cricketers, that is the set particular nouns in the set are as good as is the positive adjective as Dhoni. Okay, now second example, Shakespeare is one of the greatest playwrights in the history. So here also many playwrights are there, in which Shakespeare is one of the greatest person. Okay, so in comparative degree it will become greatest will change into greater than many other playwrights in the history. So Shakespeare is greater than many other playwrights in the history. Understood? Now the positive one. Positive one will be very few playwrights, okay, in the history are as great as Shakespeare. Greater will change into great. Okay, so the positive degree is very few playwrights in the history are as great as Shakespeare. Hope you understood how to change the degrees of comparison. Isn't it very easy, students? Right? Thank you for watching me in this video. Do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.